WHITELINE adjustable rear sway bar to a Focus XR5 or ST225. The factory sway bar is a 21mm thick bar. The WHITELINE units are 24. It's got 2 adjustment points as well. D-bushes of polyurethane. Real simple thing to install. Great results. Next, we need to get these mounting brackets off. The easiest way that I find to do it is just to get a good flat blade screwdriver, get it up between the bush and it, and then just start to lift them off. They can be a bit stuck on, but we'll just pop off like that. Then we take our new bar, grab our new D-bushes. Now these are grease free, they've got like a felt kind of lining, so don't put any grease in here. Basically just need to split it open and wedge it onto the bar. Now we can take our mounts, there's a little recess for that bump, push it in so it's even in the middle. Don't stress if you can't get them all the way down. When we bolt this up, it'll clamp it. Same with the position. Obviously, we're going to put it in the right position later. We're fitting new sway bar links to it, but if you're not fitting new ones, now's when you want to refit your old ones. Just want to pop it through the hole. Just have your nut on nice and loose. Now we're ready to put this back on the car. Okay, so now we just have to torque these nuts and these bolts all up. That's it, job done.